Hi, I'm Mike and we're going to do a little bit laser welding in our laser castle lights. First of all, you need to make sure you start off with the correct PPE. Make sure you've got the correct gloves, the correct clothes. Make sure that as much of your skin is covered as possible.
And also, one of the very important thing is the laser welding helmet.
Yes, it might look like an ordinary one, but this is a bit more advanced. It's linked to our interlock system. You can't use a laser with this up, it's got to be down.